This is the 6.2 assignment, Navigation with JavaScript. And if you come to this link, you can download the PDF. Here's the PDF. First, create a 1200 by 800 pixel document that includes 4 buttons that control navigation through the timeline. You should be a little bit familiar with this using code snippets. And here is the code right here, and you're using a function. The important things here is an event listener. An event is, in this case, it's like a click to start the process. And another important thing is the function. And the function is, it's almost, can be like a recipe almost. If a click was turning on the heat on an oven, the function would be something to do with the recipe. And between these two lines here, between your two brackets, is where the code goes that's going to be responsible for what happens. I'm including some code. You can either use code snippets or you can use the code I have right here, which is in Sublime Text, which is an HTML JavaScript editor. What's important here will be that this should be your button name. So if you named your button new button, this should say new button. And this should be your frame. You can copy and paste this a couple of times into the actions window. And as long as you have the button correct and you have the frame number correct, you should have no problem whatsoever. This is the 1200 by 800 document. And what you're going to do is create 4 layers. And I'm going here. I've already started this, as you can see. Insert frame. And this will be where you add your buttons. We've already went over creating buttons in earlier screencasts. And you should have 4 buttons on your stage. So once you have your button set up, as shown in earlier screencasts, put something, add a keyframe and maybe put a square or something at certain points so that you know that the timeline is moving. And what you'll be doing is going to properties and giving each button a name. I'll give this button a name of BTN1. Now when I come and copy the code, which is going to be pasted into the ActionScript window, this will be changed. And then I'll put whatever frame I want it to go to. So hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.